So today what we are going to study? Common source amplifier with the source resistance. So here what we are doing, what we done, just we connected here one resistance, that is source resistance in the source lead. Here we connected. You see this. One resistance we connected. Rest of things was as common as like earlier. So now what you need to do in this, just you have to think here, there is here resistance like so just for a example I'll say even you can consider this figure also, but don't get any confusion of this figure. So let me show the one more equivalent figure actually. So even you can use this figure also. So so this or this figure, any figure is fine actually, but what is the difference you are finding? We see this. So everything is same actually. The only thing is just we added the capacitance here. Even you can, because while performing the small signal parameters, if you want to find those, these are things we need not to consider. So that is the reason here. So the capacitance, this is our coupling capacitance. So the coupling capacitance and all, just because we are not using any biasing techniques, so to avoid that only we are not consider here the capacitance and all. Else when you are going to for finding the small signal parameter, so there will be a presence of capacitance, coupling capacitance will be there actually. So you need to draw. So at the same time here, there is a gate, the gate resistance also will be there. This is that gate resistance only is nothing but Rin actually. That is input resistance we'll call normally. Then drain RD will be there. Then coupling also RL. So here there is actually RL is virtual. So everything is virtual here we are thinking. Now what we will do from this figure, very important thing is here. Earlier we studied about pi model hybrid, right? Pi hybrid model. Now what we'll do, so there is a one more type of model is there. The name of the model is called as T model. Okay. So now what you have to do, so what we do, let me do T model separately. So here only I'll do the T model. Okay. So before enter into that, let me show what is T model first, because then only it will be very easy for us to know. So what is a T model in the sense? Let me show the T model. Let me draw the diagram, or just let me take the diagram of a T model. See, still is not completed. As we know that this is the normal MOSFET, like this I can say this will be your pi model, right? The equivalent circuit of the MOSFET in small signal model, this all we know. So G, then VGS, here the drain. So here the voltage dependence, that is a current source. This is the current source, the dependent current source. So we'll have GM, VGS. Now, how we are drawing here in the sense, see here the drain current is there, right? So there is a drain current in the sense this place just ID, the same current ID only. What I can do, this current even the same current only is flowing. So we took one more current here. See, GM VGS, the current is flowing through over this. Just we drawn like that only equivalent. Next, let us take the next step is yes. See now here, what we did here? Here current source is there. From the current source, here also current source only. Just to here what we did, we can find this is a open circuit here, correct? So if this is the open circuit, already we said here the current is zero, IG is zero. So even though if I connect this, the current will not change. The same current only, the IG zero only will be there, irrespective of open circuit or short circuit here. That is why here what we did, just we connected this portion. See, even though if it is connected, this portion IG is equal to 0 only. Correct? Rest of the things are common, same. Now from this, what happened here? Just we see counterclockwise, you rotate this straight away. See the D is here, ID, the same ID, the current source GM, VGS. Okay, fine. Next, there is a point here. This point we are taking GG. That is why IG is equal to 0. Then again, after that, from this point only is nothing but Vx point as per the diagram. Next thing here, we are having the current source GM, right? But yeah, already we are having a current source because here the current is flowing over there. So that is a current, right? So now what we can do, instead of this current source, sometime we can replace by this. So I'm saying this and this both are equal. How? Because here current is flowing like a, what is here, GM VGS reaging. So how can I convert to resistance? Because of this is the current source. I is equal to V by R. This actually R, I will transform current source to resistor. So if you transform this to this, what will happen? The resistance will be 1 by GM will get. How I will get 1 by GM is nothing but what is the current here actually? The current is equal to V by R, correct? So current is equal to V by R in the sense what is V here? V is nothing but VGS. Just example saying, okay? Current is equal to V by R. R, I'll say V is equal to IR. Example, okay? V is equal to IR. You can consider V is equal to IR in the sense. So this will be your resistance. The resistance in the sense I can say R is equal to V by I actually. So V by I in the sense I'll say what is V? It is nothing but VGS. By what is I? It is nothing but ID. Correct? But here I am having a current source. This will be your resistance, not a resistance, it's a conductance. 1 by GM. Right? So ID is equal to, from this I can say GM VGSC. I'll get same. That is why we are having taken 1 by GM. It's nothing but what? 1 by GM is already, as we know, GM is nothing but 1 by R. 1 by GM is nothing but R actually, resistance. So 1 by GM capacity. So this will be your T model approach. Very, very important thing. So it will be simple to calculate the small signal parameters when you use the T model circuits. So because here sometimes we are going to use T model only, but you may have the doubt when I should use this T model. Whenever you are having a resistor in the source terminal, then you need to use the T model approach. This is the key hint for you. So is it clear? So what I'm saying, whenever you're having a resistance in the source terminal in the MOSFET, when you're going to find out any small signal model, then you need to draw the T model circuit. So now earlier we drawn pi model circuit. Now we are going to use the T model. See, this is the T model. Look like T. You can see this. It is look like a T with the other orientation. So now let us study. This is what we are going to use. So now here in this, what we are going to do in the sun, we are going to draw the small signal equivalent. So small signal equivalent with the T model actually. I hope you remember, you got it now, right? So now additionally, what we'll do, let us take the T model circuit. Okay, see, now we drawn here the equivalent T model of this circuit. See now how we drawn, you get it, just you can see this. Same we as sig or sig is there, okay, this. Now this portion only we need to do, right? So this portion only we need to change to T model. Now you see this current, this will be actually earlier we shown what is that? It is nothing but what? VGS into GM, correct? VGS into GM. This one actually is nothing but what actually? It is nothing but I, correct? So that is why written as I here. I, the same only current is flowing over there. The resistance, see this. So this portion completely the highlighted portion is nothing but T model circuit using. So what we do additionally, what we did, we have to connect the source resistance. See this source resistance is connected initially, then drain resistance is there. So externally, what will be additionally, we will have the RL resistance will be there. So we may think here we will have the RG resistance. That RG resistance nothing but your RN resistance, RN. Here we should see RN is equal to RG. Then presence of RL also will be there. Here we are saying, see this presence of RL. So don't worry about this actually because still you are not studied about this. What is that? So don't worry about that in this diagram and all. Just so only I'm showing this diagram here. Now what we'll do, let us find out the small signal parameters. Let us find out the small signal parameters as the first, the small signal parameter is, the first parameter is the input resistance. So first find the Rin. First Rin. So from this figure, I can say Rin is equal to infinity. So write as Rin is equal to infinity because the infinite resistance will be very, very high. Then what about the input Vi? Vi is nothing but the signal will be nothing but what? VGS only. So Vi is equal to this. Complete Vi will be V sig, that is signal voltage. V signal. Next, now what we'll do, let us consider we have to find out the VGS, we have to find out. Which one? This VGS we have to find out. So now to find out the VGS, let's consider like this. What we will do in the sense, let us take this portion complete. Which portion in the sense? Let me do. This is nothing but one by GM. This will be 1 by GM. See from this figure only. This is RS. Now from here to here, this portion is nothing but Vi. This will be your Vi, right? See from this figure, the Vi. So completely take consider this is Vi. Then this fully is nothing but a VGS. Now we need to find out the Vi actually. Now as per the, this is Vi in the sense, this point is Vi actually. That is the meaning of that. This point is nothing but Vi actually. So now what you have to do in the sense, this is nothing but as per the voltage divider rule. As per the voltage divider rule, now let us find out Vi, or no, sorry, VGS we have to find out. So VGS is equal to Vi into, right? Or I'll say 1 by GM divided by 1 by GM plus RS into Vi. Now, just what you will do, just do the like simplification, will get us Vi into 1 by GM Denominator, take the common 1 by gm. Take the common 1 plus gm rs. Now what will happen? The g 1 by gm will get cancelled. Then we'll get as vi into 1 divided by 1 plus gm r. Yes, this is nothing but VGS. This will be your VGS. Now, so from this I can say, what is the benefit of this source resistance we need to know. The first, the benefit is the use of value, that is the use the value of RS, use the value of RS to control the magnitude of the signal VGS. It will control the magnitude values VGS and thereby ensure that the VGS, which one? This one, the small signal gate source voltage VGS doesn't become too large. If it is become too large, then will be problem. It will cause non-linear distortion. Then second benefit is the RS causes, that is the source resistance will be causes the useful bandwidth of the amplifier to be extended. So these are the some benefits for the RES. So next, let us go for the another parameter, that is nothing but the second parameter is nothing but the output voltage. Output voltage V naught from the T model circuit. From the T model circuit, we have to find out V naught. So from this circuit, let me take again for your purpose the diagram here. So each and every time you have to take the diagram, then only will get properly. So let me take this diagram. Okay. Now from this T model, you see what is V naught. From that I can say what is V naught. See, you have to find out this V naught. Now it's very simple. V naught is equal to the current minus I, okay, minus I into RD. Minus I into RD. Now we have to, because V naught is equal to the current which is flowing over this, because this current. See, now actually we are going to do this. Okay. The loop you are taking that. So is equal to minus I into RD. What is this I? Now we have to calculate. What is this I? We have to calculate. So we have to calculate the I value. That is nothing but I is equal to VI divided by 1 by GM plus RS. I is equal to, what about this I? This I is nothing but what? VI divided by 1 by GM plus RS. Now what we'll do, we'll go for the V naught is equal to, so this will be one equation, substitute this I over here. So we'll get as minus VI into RD. Okay, minus VI, let me take, okay, this is RD. Okay, fine. Let me write this RD divided by, because this is I value, right? I value 1 by GM plus RS. Now again, so what we'll do here, from this minus VI into RD GM. Why? Because you take the 1 by GM as common or do cross multiplication, the denominator GM will go up. So 1 plus GMRS. Now from this is nothing but V naught, correct? So now from this, what I can do in the sense, take this VI by down here. So V naught by VI is equal to minus RDGM divided by 1 plus GMRS. So where this V naught by VI is AV, right? AV naught, that is the open circuit voltage gain. So now we can say where AV naught is equal to V naught by VI is equal to minus RDGM divided by 1 plus GMRS. See, this is the expression for open circuit voltage gain. So now, when you are including this RS, will reduce the voltage gain by the factor 1 plus GMRS. So now including RSS, what will happen? The RSS will reduce the voltage gain. The RSS will reduce the voltage gain because of the inclusion of factor 1 plus GM, because this is RS will be very, very small. So now automatically your voltage gain will be reduced. So at the same second is that this 1 plus GM RS will introduce the amount of feedback. Introduce the amount of feedback by RS. Then it is also the same factor by which bandwidth and other performance parameters will get improved. So now because of this negative feedback action of source resistance, this is known as source degeneration. See, sometimes they may ask an exam source degeneration resistance. Degeneration resistance. Degeneration resistance. This is about the AV actually. So next to what you have to calculate in the sense, we need to calculate the AV naught is over. So that is total. So next to what you have to calculate the voltage gain from the gate to drain. So now, so this is all about today's. Now let's see, or otherwise from this, I will show how it is done. So now we got the AV naught, right? This is the AV naught we got, AV, but we not consider the without consideration of RL actually. So if you are considering the RL, how it will be? If you are considering the RL in the sense, very simple, I can say the RD will be parallel with the RL. So like here, V naught is equal to ID RD, we said no. So in the diagram, so like where in this diagram, RD. So now here what will happen? There will be one